The Lifeline program is a government assistance program that provides discounted phone service to low-income households. Some wireless carriers, such as SafeLink Wireless and AirTalk Wireless, offer Lifeline-eligible customers the iPhone XR as a free smartphone. However, it is important to understand that this is not a direct government benefit, and there are some caveats to consider. To get a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program, you must be eligible for the program. Your household income must be at or below 135% of the federal poverty level. You must also apply for the Lifeline program through a participating wireless carrier. Once you have applied and been approved for the Lifeline program, you will be eligible for a free iPhone XR from the participating wireless carrier. However, it is important to note that these phones are typically refurbished or leased and may come with only some of the features of a brand new iPhone X or I. In addition, Lifeline customers are typically required to pay a monthly service fee for their phone service. Depending on the carrier, this fee can range from $5 to $10 monthly. Getting a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program is possible, but it is important to understand that this is not a direct government benefit. Customers are typically required to pay a monthly service fee, and the phones may not be brand new or have all of the features of a new iPhone XR. If you are considering getting a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program, carefully weigh the pros and cons before deciding. Thanks for watching.